Hi students, today I'll be explaining the topics of the first chapter, that is the Indian Constitution. This is the first chapter of civics and you have already completed the notes of this chapter. So we will start with Constitution. What is a Constitution? It is a set of rules to run a country. For each and every country there are certain rules written and that is known as Constitution. Now the next topic is, why does a country need a constitution? So first of all, it serves several purposes. It lays out certain ideals for a country. So in a country, in which way the country will run and which will be the ideal for the country will be decided by the constitution. Number two is, it is a set of principles that all persons of a country agree upon. So whatever principles, whatever decisions has been taken in the constitution, the citizens of the country has to agree all those ideas. Next is, it decides the political system of a country. It provides important guidelines for the society. Each and every country has their different political system and that political system is decided by the constitution of that country. Next is, it ensures that a dominant group does not use its power against less powerful people or group. There are many dominant group, maybe they are more powerful because they have money or they have some other power. So those kind of people should not suppress the less powerful people of the society. That also ensures by the constitution. Lastly, it helps us to protect us against certain decisions which should not have an adverse effect on society. Sometimes there can be many decisions which are not right for the country, which is not appropriate for the country. That also, the constitution also looks after that. Our next topic is the key features of Indian Constitution. So the first feature is federalism. Federalism means existence of more than one level of government. In class 7 also you have read about that. The government is divided into different layers or into different tiers. So in a federal country there has to be more than one level. Our country has been divided into 3 layers. On top there is central government, and then we have state governments, and lastly we have local self-government. So the power of the government has been divided into these 3 levels, these 3 layers. Next is parliamentary form of government. It guarantees universal adult suffrage. That means citizens of the country, those who are 18 years or above, can elect their government. They can cast their vote and they can directly choose their representatives. Next is separation of power. As we all know that we have parliamentary form of government, and the parliament is divided into 3 organs: legislature, executive, judiciary. That also you have read in class 7. Legislature refers to the elected representative. All the members of the legislatures are elected by the citizens of the country. Next is executive. Executive is a small group of people, and these people implement laws. Whatever law is passed by the legislature, that is implemented by the executive. And the third organ is judiciary. Judiciary takes care of the judicial system of the country. That means all the courts comes under judiciary. Next feature is fundamental rights. It protects citizens against the arbitrary use of power by the state. Each and every country has their own fundamental rights. So we have 6 fundamental rights. About these fundamental rights I'll discuss in my next video. So next is the key features, and 5th feature, that is secularism. Secularism does not officially promote any one religion as the state religion. All religions are given equal importance. In our country, we cannot say we have one official religion. Either everyone has to be Hindu, or everyone has to be Muslim or Christian or Sikh. There are many countries like Sri Lanka, they have Buddhism as their official language. In Saudi Arabia, Islam is the official religion. But in our country, there are no such religion at all. All the religions are given equal importance. So for this video, this much has been discussed. In the next video, rest of the topics will be discussed. Thank you.